it is high time industry and all of you come to a situation with the deliberations, with plans, definite plans, and for implementation, which can help to sustain our Mother Earth so that we leave something for the future generations to come. I wish this particular conference, the Green Investment and Sustainable Summit, all the very best. I must compliment ASSOCHAM for having this conference, which is required at this particular point of time, because the whole world today knows how important it is to sustain our environment. The whole world leaders know we have no alternative.
Of Hero Group, I think we all know that. And I would like to congratulate ASSOCHAM for selecting this venue in Goa. The reason being that Goa is a fine balance of nature and industry. And this is the apt topic wherein the economy of Goa is nurtured on the nature, that is tourism, and the industry and all those iron mines. Just imagine if this fine balance gets disturbed, what will happen? So that's why it is the real topic, the right place. So I have tried to structure my presentation into a kind of why we are talking about this. And typically everything, whatever we go new has challenges. And then the opportunities what we have forthcoming.